Dagad hair mo. Of course! That is why I'm gonna retouch tomorrow. Hi mother, I miss you so much. Batali Katino Key Zambales. Atin na kaming work tomorrow. Hi Robin, kumusta ka Robin? Mama tin kong gewa. Sinali kong TV. Oh no! Bumili ako ng TV. Oh no! Dakal ko pa ni po. Ay! Yes. Mama, inuna ko na yung TV kaysa aking ref. Kasi mag-survive na ako man hanggang lang ref. Aliko, I can't survive without anime, so I needed to buy a TV. So sorry. It's okay, anak, treat yourself. Wow! Thank you so much. Miss Night and Day. Miss Night and Day. Pansinin mo ako. Hello, Jamie and Watch well be. Thanks. Oh my God! Tignan nyo to kasi Fairy Tale 100 Years Quest. Oh my gosh. Yan yung dahilan kung bakit yan yung dahilan kung bakit inuna ko yung TV. Kasi lumabas na yung Fairy Tale 100 Years Quest. Anyway, meron akong mga gamit na hindi ko na kailangan. Nino mag-install. Yako mo, binwat kita sin-install kya. Hi, Miss Inabi. I miss you so much. Welcome to my room. Meron akong mga gamit na di ko na ginagamit. So, I'm gonna open up a shop in Carousel. Ibebenta ko na. Una sa lahat, ito siya. This is a beauty fridge. Ayan, dito ko linalagay yung skincare. Di lang siya nakasaksa, pero naglo-light siya. It lights up. And it can... Nagko-cool siya ng mga gamit. Tapos, meron akong mga damit. Next time ko na lang ilalabas. Stay tuned for my shop! This is my sofa. Mura lang itong sofa na to. Ano siya? Beanbag sofa. Hi, Sue! How are you? Can you read my name, Joe? Oh, sorry, I can't read. I like your haircut, so fresh. Actually, itong hair ko, parang gusto ko na siyang gawing super duper short. Not super duper, pero wait, papakita ko sa inyo. I'm gonna show you kung anong gusto kong haircut. Tapos si judge niya, sabihin niyo, yes! Tapos pag ayaw niya, sabihin niyo, no! Ganun. Sabihin niyo sa chat. Pinterest. Ano kasi itsura ng buzz cut? Wait, search ako naman buzz cut. Buzz cut. Ah, ito yung buzz cut. No, not a buzz cut. Pero, almost there. Otalina pink. Meg-fade ya yung buhok ko. Pero, gawan kaya pang pink kanyan. Short haircut. Okay, so this is what I want. So it's gonna be shorter than this. Something like this. See? So short. Something like this. Yes. Kaso, hindi ganun ka... Joke lang. Pwede ko naman siyang gawin ganitong mess. Go. Okay. Let's do it. Ito, ganito. Ganito ka short. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for the validation. Wow. Wow. Messy hair. What color? Unicorn. Oh, pwede. Pwede ako mag-unicorn hair. Jao and Devin. So, joke lang. Hindi ako makakapunta dun sa fan meet niya kasi may ganap kami. Pero gusto kong pumunta. Hello, Devin. If you come across this video or this live, I would love to meet you and speak Japanese with you. Mabuhay kudasai! Hi, mommy. Okay, watch well, mother. Love you so much. Urza scarlet hair color. I'm not sure. I don't think red is my thing. I like wearing red, but having red hair, I'm not sure about it. Okay. Where's my food that I ordered? Anyways. Bye guys. Magbabasa na ako ng manhwa. Binabasa ko ngayon, LSC. Ayun! Malapit na yung grab ko. Nag-order ako ng pagkain. So hungry. Bye-bye! Nag-dinner ka na ba? Hindi pa. Ito pa lang yung dinner ko. Bye-bye!